Hello everyone and welcome back to Market Trap with Monk. So today's market was like a roller coaster ride. मार्केट ओपन गैप डाउन टुडे. आज मार्केट काफ़ी नीचे के लेवल्स पे ओपन हुआ था. सेंसेक्स नीचे ओपन हुआ था, निफ्टी नीचे ओपन हुआ था एंड निफ्टी ऑलमोस्ट ब्रीच्ड 15,700 लेवल्स विच इज़ वन ऑफ आवर इम्पॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट लेवल फॉर निफ्टी. ओवरऑल आज मार्केट में एक बहुत ही बम्पी राइड था. मार्केट के फर्स्ट हाफ में एक अच्छा खासा करेक्शन दिखाई गया और जैसे कि मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि व्हेन मार्केट इज़ बियरिश यू मस्ट ऑलवेज बी बुलिश. सो आज जो जो लोगों ने सब अच्छे स्टॉक्स अक्यूमुलेट किए हैं उनको लॉन्ग रन में एक बहुत अच्छा रिटर्न मिलने वाला है. सो नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट वाज द रीज़न बिहाइंड टुडेज मार्केट फॉल. सो 12 ऑफ जून को सुचेता दलाल इन्होंने एक ट्वीट किया था एंड इफ़ यू इंटरप्रीट दिस ट्वीट इट मेंट दैट कि कुछ भी चेंज नहीं हुआ है, सब कुछ पहले जैसा हुआ था. अब पहले जैसा हुआ था मतलब कैसा? जो हर्षद मेहता के टाइम हुआ था, मे बी सुचिता दलाल वॉज रेफरिंग टू अ सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ इंसिडेंट्स विच इज़ हैपनिंग. ये ट्वीट के बाद एक रिपोर्ट आई थी एंड द रिपोर्ट सेड दैट कि अडानी ग्रुप में जो फॉरेन इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स है, 3 फॉरेन इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स, उनके अकाउंट्स NSDL ने फ्रीज कर दिए एंड इन FPIs का जो टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ होल्डिंग था दैट इज़ अमाउंटिंग ऑलमोस्ट टू 43,500 crores. So if we connect these two things, it was evident that market was going to fall today. And as a outcome of this, आज के मार्केट में जो अडानी ग्रुप के टॉप 3 stocks है, that is Adani Enterprise, Adani Port and Adani Power. So these 3 stocks corrected to the extent of 25%. So आज around second half of the day में Adani Group came forward and they gave a clarification saying that all the reports which were in the markets were misleading and false. So after this announcement, the shares gradually started recovering and they settled somewhere around 5 to somewhere between 5 to 10% in negative zone. And this was one of the biggest reason why the market corrected today. So now coming to Sensex and Nifty, though Sensex and Nifty ended on a very flat note, but they ended in a positive note. This is a very important thing. जब मार्केट खुला था एंड जब मार्केट खुलने के बाद गिरा था, निफ्टी ने 15,700 का लेवल ब्रेक किया था, बट सिंस निफ्टी क्लोज्ड अबव 15,800, it is still in a positive zone. It is still in a optimistic range. Coming to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty also closed on a flat note. But it breached the 35,000 level mark. So now if you come if we consider this to be trading in a flat kind of zone, overall small cap or mid cap, both these indices were also around 0.50% in minus today. आज ब्रॉडली 787 शेयर्स ऐसे थे जो एडवांस हुए और 1027 शेयर्स ऐसे थे जो डिक्लाइन हुए. बात करते हैं जो सेक्टर्स में आज तेज़ी दिखाई पड़ी थी. ऑयल एंड गैस, कंस्ट्रक्शन, टेक्नोलॉजी, फार्मास्यूटिकल्स वर द सेक्टर्स वेयर देयर वाज अ पॉजिटिव मोमेंटम टुडे, while auto, chemical, banking, finance, telecom and metals witnessed a fall today. Tata Motors, Reliance, Wipro, Divi's Lab, Bajaj Finance, Infosys, these were the top gainers for the day. While Adani Ports, Coal India, Kotak Bank, HDFC and Maruti were the top losers for the day. So overall the market was very very choppy today. There was almost a 640 point swing which the market witnessed. आज रिटेल इन्फ्लेशन के नंबर्स रिलीज़ हुए. रिटेल इन्फ्लेशन इज़ हाईएस्ट in last 6 months, that is it is standing at 6.3% vis-a-vis 4.23 as compared to April 2021. Also today WPI numbers were also released. WPI also is at record high at 12.94%, But there is no reason to worry as this wide gap between CPI and WPI is expected, and it is not a matter of a big concern. So coming to the bit of technical side, so Nifty we still have a positive outlook as far as 15,600 is broken. Major supports for Nifty are 15,700, 15,600 and 15,500. While on the upside, we can expect Nifty around 15,900 and 16,000 levels in days to come. Similarly, Bank Nifty is expected to trade in a range bound zone for some time. 34,700 and 34,600 are two important support levels which are still intact for Bank Nifty. But overall, the view is flat to positive, that is range bound. And now coming to some stock recommendations. So we think that Adani Port is a stock to watch out for in days to come. 700 is a very important support level for this stock, and if it goes below 700, we think that it is in an accumulation stage, because this is a business not only backed by a good and strong name but also backed with a good fundamental. Apart from Adani Port, we are also having positive view on Asian Paints. So Asian Paints can go up to 3,200 levels, and on downside there is a good support at 2,750 levels. So this is all for today. Do consult your investment advisor before making any investment decisions. Also watch out for our video on detailed view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you like our video, do like, subscribe and share. That's it for the day. Thank you.